In order to install the NordVPN in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop, you need to go to the NordVPN website. For that, I have given the link in the description. You can click on that and you will be taken to the NordVPN website. From there, you can look for the download button and click on the download NordVPN to install it. You need to look for the download NordVPN button and you can just press that to initiate the downloading process. Once the download is complete, you can go to your download folder and look for this NordVPN setup.exe file. Double click on that to start the installation process. In the next screen, you will be asked to give the permission for installation. You can just press yes to continue. Next, you will be given the option to change the destination folder. In case you want to do that, click browse, select the desired folder and click next. However, we would recommend that you keep the default location as it is and click on to the next. You can also check these two boxes in order to create the shortcut on desktop and start menu and click next. Sometimes it happens that NordVPN asks you to install their additional products like NordPass or NordLocker or NordLinux. In case you want to download them, you can check them, or else just keep the NordVPN and click next. Click on to install, and once the installation is finished, you will get this option. You can check this launch NordVPN and click finish. It will start automatically, or else you can double click on the icon which is there on your desktop to start the NordVPN application. Click on to the login. You need to have the paid version. In case you have a paid version of the NordVPN, you will have the email and password. You need to add the email or username here and then the password and click continue by adding the password here, and then you will be logged into NordVPN. You can just press the quick connect to start your secure session, or else what you can do is that you can change the location to your desired region by selecting any of the region from the map or from the list which is shown here. At the end, we would again urge you to download the NordVPN from our link. In case you have decided to buy this, you won't have to pay anything extra, but it is going to support the channel. In any case, thanks for watching.